presenting V-Bond Sparkles. Sparkles for epoxy grout. It's packing in 100-gram can. Available colours are gold, silver and copper. Dosage is mix 50 grams sparkles per 1 kilogram V-epoxy grout. Part A plus Part B plus Part C. Part A is hardener, Part B is resin, Part C is filler powder. Sparkles to be used with epoxy grout, 3K or 2K, to enhance the look and feel of the tiles and stones. It is used in decorative grout filler, wall and floor tiling, swimming pools, luxury spaces, mosaic and glass tile installations, wet areas and more. Also, V-Bond offers wide range of products: wall products, skim coats, tile and stone adhesives, grouts, primers, screed, waterproofing products, specialty products and more. V-Bond. Building together, bonding forever.